What was he like?
Shy, self-conscious.
We heard he was a big partier.
Not with me.
And that he was a swinger?
You mean sex swinger?
Yes.
Absolutely not. Oh, that's crazy talk, not Russell.
So what happened with you and Russell? Why did you all break up?
Some stupid fight. Over nothing, really. Truth is, I miss him. He was a good guy.
Was he ever abusive?
Are you kidding me? Who are you talking about? He wouldn't hurt a fly.
Any idea who might have shot him?
Try his old lady. I heard she was nuts. Of course, I don't know. I think he still loved her.
Really?